Greetings everyone and welcome back. My name is Marco and this is FAE, a project inspired by fantasy and folklore. The first subject of this year was KAMILLA, an artist and model I've met through mutual friends. As always, you can find our social linked in the description. We were planning to shoot in May, as soon as it got warm, but the weather had a different opinion, and we had to postpone to early June, on a cloudy afternoon after heavy rains. The location was muddy and very slippery. Yes, I did fall. And the water rushing was so loud we had to shout or communicate by gestures. In fact, all you can hear in the behind-the-scenes footage is the noise of water. Even under the canopy of trees, the light kept changing as the clouds rolled over, often getting quite dark. But when you mostly shoot outdoors like me, you get used to working with what you get, even when it's not what you would have liked. You may have noticed the trees and plants moving with the wind, but the wind doesn't really reach the bottom of that valley. The air was being pushed through the valley by the amount of water dumped by the waterfall, which is the reason why I don't have BTS footage of the pictures we took near the waterfall. Everything was getting wet, and my action cam for some reason wasn't working. As you've already figured out, I have decided to change the format of this project. Instead of one single long video at the end of the season, I'm gonna make a video for every shoot. This way the subjects don't have to wait months to see the final project, although they do receive their pictures and videos as soon as they are ready. And hopefully posting more videos will bring more views and more eyes to the project. Finally, a word about gear. For this shoot I've only used one lens, the trusty Pentacon 50mm 1.8, along with a couple filters. I'm sure you've noticed the split image filter, but there were also a spot soft, a cross screen, and a polarizer involved. And that is all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.